The next exercise in MS Excel we are going to see is conditional formatting. Here the marks of 10 students are given in column B, second row to column B, 11th row. Now I want to see those students who have secured greater than 50 to be highlighted in a color of my choice. For that, select the data range, the data from B2 to B11, select it. In home menu, you can see an option called conditional formatting. Click that, then you can see a few options. Under that, select highlight cell rules, then select greater than. Here I want to see the values above 50, so give that value above 50. That value should be highlighted with green background with green text. So this is our choice only. Now I want to see those values above 50 to be highlighted with green text, green fill. So I am selecting that. Click OK. Now the output, you can see the values above 50 are highlighted with green background with green text. Those values which are not highlighted are lesser than 50. It is obvious. Now we can make use of this conditional formatting even to check the values above average, below average, etc. Now the 10 values are given. This is the sales of a particular showroom. I want to see whether the sales are above average or below average. So here I want to check whether the sale is above average. For that I have to calculate the average. For that the formula is type equal to, then average from A2 to A11, close the bracket. Now we got the output for average, it is 47.6. The values above 47.6 should be highlighted. Click conditional formatting, click greater than, then give your input 47.6. Then it should be highlighted with green background, so I'm clicking OK. Now you can see those values above 47.6, that is above average, are highlighted with 47.6. Similarly, you can also highlight the values below average. So I'm typing below average. So for that you can select the data. First you have to remove the rule. So select the data, then clear rule. Now the rules are cleared. You can set the new rule now. Click conditional formatting, highlight rules, click lesser than, then the value lesser than 47.6, because I want to see the values lesser than 47.6, that is the average. Those texts can be highlighted with yellow. So I'm clicking OK. So those values below average are highlighted in the yellow or the sandal background. You can also make use of this for finding the exact values. For example, now I'm clearing this rule, the below average rule. Click conditional formatting, click clear rules, then click clear rules. Now I'm selecting the data range, then click conditional formatting, click highlight rules, then type equal to. Now I want to see the value exactly equal to a particular number. In this case, let me take 100. So exactly equal to 100 should be highlighted with red font. I'm clicking OK. So here you can see the value exactly equal to 100 is highlighted with the background. Then we can see whether a given numbers are odd or even. Only the odd values should be highlighted. In this case, I have taken a few data from A2 to E6 data range. Select the data range. Now I want to see odd values to be highlighted. Go to conditional formatting, then click new rule. Then click use a formula to determine which cell to format. So this option you have to select. Then you can see a small box like this will be available. Here you have to type this formula, that is type equal to ISODD is odd, then within bracket you have to give the first cell reference. In this case the value is in A2, so I am giving A2, then close it. Then you can see preview. Here you have to give the format in which color or in which font the value should be highlighted. By default there will be no format set. We have to set our own format. So for that, click format. Then a window like this will open. You can have few options like number, font, border, fill. I want to see the value to be highlighted in green, so I'm selecting green. Then the font, I want that in bold letters, so I'm selecting the bold. Then I'm clicking OK, then click OK. So here you can see the values, the odd numbers are highlighted with green background with bold text. Then I want to highlight the orders of the given data from a particular origin. In this case, I have consolidated the orders from UK and USA, and USA orders alone to be highlighted. So for that we can make use of conditional formatting. Now keep the cursor here, then go to conditional formatting, click new rule, click use a formula to determine which cell to format. Select that, then formula values where this formula is true, that option is available. Here we have to type the formula, type equal to, then in which column you want to check. In this case I want to check based on the country. The country is given in column C, so type that, type dollar, then type column C. The reason for giving dollar symbol is we are fixing the reference with column C alone. The column C alone we are fixing the reference. Then the value starts from third row, so give that, then type equal to, then within bracket, sorry, not within bracket, within quotes you have to give USA if you want to highlight the values, the orders from USA. Then you have to set the format, click format, then click fill, then you can choose a color of your choice. Now I want to see in this blue color, sky blue. Click OK, then click OK. First you have to select the data, conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to select, type equal to, type dollar C3 equal to, within quotes, USA, then set the format. Let's say this to be highlighted in blue, then click OK, click OK. Yeah. Then the values with USA alone to be highlighted in blue background. So here the formula should be $C3 equal to USA.